kitchen whipping pans. Watch. Watch. I be in the kitchen whipping pans. Watch. Watch. We whipping. We whip. With Ari in the kitchen, yeah. Whipping. We whip. With Ari in the...
Hey Prep Fam, how y'all doing today? This morning, Ho woke up hungry and he wanted to eat. I don't really feel like cooking this morning, so we're gonna do something quick, fast, and in a hurry. He's gonna help me out today. Let's get this going. We're gonna see how fast we can get this breakfast made. By the way, what we're gonna do is we're gonna make some biscuits with some sausage biscuits, basically, cheese if you like, and then some fried potatoes. So let's get this going. So now I'm about to get to cutting these potatoes. We're gonna get this done. Jay Sean's about to get right on those biscuits right now. Trying to see if maybe we could do 15 minutes. I don't know. That's pretty quick, so with the fried potatoes, but we'll see what we can do. We've got our biscuits in the oven. We now have the sausage on the stove. And now we're just gonna finish cutting up and peeling the potatoes. Those are cooking up nice and quickly. I just put them in there with a little bit of water, just kind of get the steam going. And then they have like the oil on them already, so you can also, if you don't feel like it's browning enough, you can add oil to it as well.
Of course, the drier your potatoes, the better, but it's gonna pop regardless.
We'll go ahead and check those sausages. Looking right. We'll go ahead and flip them. Alright, so our sausages are almost done. I think our biscuits just have a couple more moments. I don't know, that's Ho's job. You better not burn them. And when it comes to those potatoes, we just put those in right now. It's at 10:16. I think we started around 10:05, so yeah. We're getting a lot closer here. We got what, 4 minutes now? So the potatoes, hopefully they'll be done. We're gonna see. We're gonna really try to pull this off. They're cooking up, and biscuits will be out right now. So y'all know I'm not lying. Let me tell y'all a secret. Potatoes are my passion. So when I like my fries, I like them with some onions. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw them on there real quick. Good news is they don't take long to cook. Alright, our sausages are done. Time for Hope to check on the biscuits. I'll tell you what, the one thing about cooking with your kids, if they burn the food, they can't say anything about it. You mess something up, they gonna let you know for sure. But this is on this guy. Hope hooked me up with a bowl for the potatoes. Let's go ahead and get these in here. Put the seasoning on the potatoes, and telling me he needs to check his biscuits, so we gonna let him do that too. Go ahead, get him.
Take him out. I'll take him out.
All right. Ho was rushing me with the seasoning, telling me I need to hurry up because I'm in his way. So hopefully we can get these out of here and we'll see what we have. I'm just gonna shake up the seasoning on these potatoes. Garlic, whatever it may be.
I be in the kitchen whipping pans. Watch. Watch. I be in the kitchen whipping pans. Watch. Watch. We whipping. We whip.
All right, y'all. Thanks for checking in with us. Breakfast is served.